what up, beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up.
The Young AT6 sample and MIDI pack is out now. Melody compositions.
Beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up.
Best samples and MIDIs for NBA YoungBoy Inspired Beats.
Beat it, I take what up, 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 beat it, I take what up.
Options include MIDI, samples, or both. Pricing for these options is better than ever.
Beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up.
"24 to 48 hour support for all orders. Speak directly to our team so all your questions are answered."
Beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up.
The best samples and melodies for paint music. No other sample pack is better for making beats for NBA YoungBoy, Rod Wave, Quando, Rondo, and more.
Beat it, I take what up, 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 beat it, I take what up.
All downloads are available for a lifetime, so you will never lose your orders.
Beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up.
AT offers the best terms for producers. Information for clearing samples and licensing is available on our site and in all orders.
Beat it, I take what up, 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 beat it, I take what up.
All melody compositions are key and BPM labeled. Our packs make it easier than ever for you to produce your next hit.
Beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up, beat it, I take what up.